Imagine having a futuristic robot assistant at your service. Today, we'll guide you and a young enthusiast through building your own. Start by gathering the necessary components: a Raspberry Pi or Arduino kit, sensors, motors, and basic tools like screwdrivers and pliers. First, assemble the robot chassis. Attach the wheels securely and connect the motors. This forms the foundation of your robot. Next, wire the sensors and motors to the control board. Use a simple wiring diagram to ensure clarity and precision. With the hardware ready, it's time to write some basic code. Begin with simple commands to make your robot move forward, backward, and turn. Upload the code to your control board and test the movements. Troubleshooting is a critical part of the process. Check for common issues like incorrect wiring or coding errors. Correct these to ensure smooth operation. Finally, move to the testing phase. Watch as your robot performs basic movements successfully. The young enthusiast can now proudly showcase their working robot. This project is not only fun, but incredibly rewarding, as it brings tech dreams to life. Enjoy the journey of creating your own robot assistant.